In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable email verification for login security on Quora. If you want to add an extra layer of protection to your Quora account, turning on email verification for sign-in is a smart and simple step. This feature helps confirm that it's really you when someone tries to log in, which can reduce the risk of unauthorized access. The setup only takes a moment, and once it's enabled, Quora will require email verification during sign-in. To begin, open Quora and make sure you're logged into the account you want to protect. Once you're on the main page, look to the top area of the screen and click your profile picture. This will open the account menu where you can access different personal and account-related options. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where Quora keeps the controls for your account preferences, privacy, and security. If you don't see it right away, take a quick look through the drop-down menu and select the settings option to continue. After the settings page opens, go to the account section and look for login security. This is the area that contains options related to protecting your sign-in process. It's a good place to review anytime you want to make sure your account security settings are up to date. Once you're in the login security section, find the option labeled Require Email Verification and turn it on. After you enable it, your account will require email verification during sign-in. That means when a login attempt happens, Quora will use your email verification process as part of confirming access to the account. As a helpful tip, make sure the email address connected to your Quora account is one you can access Basula and regularly check. Since this security feature depends on your email, you'll want to be sure you can receive verification messages without any issues. It's also a good idea to keep your inbox secure with a strong password and any additional security measures you already use there. And that's it. You've successfully enabled email verification for login security on Quora. It's a quick setting, but it can make a meaningful difference in keeping your account safer. If you're reviewing your account security, this is one of the easiest improvements you can make.